Okay, cool. Give me less than 3 minutes to tell you 3 important features about Instagram story hashtags and how to use them best. Number 1, I want to show you how to view hashtag stories. So oftentimes when you click on a hashtag in stories, you're taken to the photo feed of that hashtag, not the stories. If you want to see hashtag stories, you actually have to click on the stories feature of that particular hashtag. Number 2, you can hide your hashtags in a story. If you want to appear in a story's hashtag, but you don't want to show the hashtags you're using, simply list the hashtags, make them smaller, and then cover them with a GIF. Number 3, you're limited to 10 hashtags per story. And I want to take a second and describe the difference between tagging 20 accounts versus 20 hashtags. When you tag somebody's account, you're actually sending them a notification to say, hey, look at my story, but if you hide it, a little shady. By hiding hashtags, you're inserting yourself in a social conversation without disturbing anybody else. And boom, there you have it. That's 3 tips in less than 3 minutes. But now it's my turn to ask something from you. If you have other hashtag tips that you could share, leave them in the comments below. And if you think your homie would appreciate learning more about hashtags, tag them here, do them a solid, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, friends.